Welcome back to Nick's Let's Build Stuff. Today we're going to do a leaking washer on the tap. So what we do, as you see, there's a bit of water pooling under here. First of all, before we take the tap off, this one's easy. You don't have to duck out to the water mains. Just under here you've got the water tap there. So we turn him off. Make sure that he's off in a second. To do that, we'll turn this on. And because it's only the cold water tap, we don't have to go out to the mains and turn this off. It's just a matter of getting your hand in behind there and getting it turned off. Alright, there we go, we've done that. So now that's off. Alright, it's a pretty simple job. We'll lift him up. As you can see, there is a bit of water leaking. So we just get our vice grips, turn him. Alright, we'll have a look here. Alright, this. Have to use our pliers to get in there. As you can see, the end has come off it. So we'll just get our... Nope, that's not going to work. To get him out, just give me 2 seconds. Alright, so as you can see, the whole ends come off the tap washer itself. So we just need to get that part out. Little fiddly, normally this doesn't happen. But it's just a case of trying to get it like so. Okay, so normally your tap washer, this is just one I had hanging around, looks like this, not like that. So now we've done that, I'll just pop him back in, or you can do it this way. Pop them into the base of there, straight in. Before we do that, we put our washer back on here. Alright, so we do him up, get our grips, give him a tighten, like so. I'll just give the whole area here a quick wipe down. We don't need that. See, I've broken stuff straight in the bin with that. Take the bottom on. Again, as you can see, that's the one that's not working and it broke. So you'd turn the tap on and it wouldn't come on. Put this straight back down over the top. Excuse my dirty hands, I've been outside working this morning. Whack the handle back on, like so. Put that on. Then we turn it back on under here. Water starts flowing. Excellent. Turn him off, and that's job done. That's how we replace a washer. If you've got any questions, throw them in the comments. Subscribe to my channel, Nick's Let's Build Stuff. Cheers.